I'm going to make this video short and sweet. Go on Amazon, get yourself a new key fob for $13 plus shipping. Blue, red, black, pink, whatever. Use a small screwdriver, pry it open, take out this part. That's what's programmed to your car. This is the part that's worn out. These little tiny black areas. Put the new one in, the new key fob, whatever color. Take your program part. You want to put a new battery in it. It comes with one off of Amazon. Put it back together. I already did it to my wife's car. It works fine. Put your key fob back together, and it'll work. It's for a 2009 Pontiac G6. You don't have to get it reprogrammed. Like I said, this is already programmed. It's this inner little plastic part that's wearing out. At least that's to my knowledge, and it worked for my wife's car because both of our key fobs don't work. Didn't work until I did this to her car. Mine don't work still. That's what I took apart. So, save yourself tons of money. $13 off Amazon. Plus shipping. Just do it. Thank you.